I spent years building Notion systems and testing AI apps to run my business, and it turns out I was solving the wrong problem. Right now, everyone is asking which AI tools they should be using, but the real question is, how do I design an agentic business? And that difference, that's everything. By the end of this video, I'm going to show you the exact system I used to build a $300,000 a year content and education business that doesn't consume all my time. And I'll give you a free guide to start transforming your business, whatever it is, with Notion and AI agents. I'm Simon, by the way, that British bloke from Better Creating, if you hadn't spotted my main tech channel yet. And I've spent the last few years figuring this out so that you don't have to. But to make an AI system actually useful, we first need to identify why most people are getting it wrong. Here's what I see every single day in my community. Business owners adding ChatGPT, adding Notion, adding Zapier, adding another AI tool they saw on Twitter at 2 a.m. We've all been there, right? Adding new tools and wondering why nothing's actually getting easier. And then getting that nice new AI app that sounds a bit like Scarlett Johansson to do the creative bit of your work for you and getting slop back. Sorry. You've got information everywhere, notes in one app, tasks in another, client details in your inbox, project files on your desktop, and every time you sit down to work, you spend the first hours just finding things. Then there's the busy work. Same emails, same follow-up, same admin eating your day, while the actual work that grows your business gets pushed to later. And here's the painful part. You're doing more than ever, but you're not scaling, you're just surviving. This is the trap. And yes, it was the trap that I fell into hard, and it hurt. More tools don't solve your problems. And AI wielded with no focus doesn't help either. Those tools are the problem. What you need isn't another app, it's a method. So what actually works? Well, I call it an agentic business. And once you understand what that means, everything changes. Agentic means two things in my eyes. First, it's a business simplified, organized, and optimized for the AI era without losing sight of what matters most or losing your humanity along the way. And second, it's a business that has agency. It can act on your behalf, not because you've hired a huge team, but because you've built systems that think, respond, and execute for you and alongside you. All of that will mean that you get to spend your time on the creative work, the strategic work, the stuff that actually matters, instead of drowning in admin. And if you do have people working for you, they're not stuck doing busy work either. Everyone's freed up to focus on what moves the needle. So I think this comes down to three things, in my opinion. One, you have organized information. Everything your business knows about your clients, your projects, your processes lives in a single location. Accessible, searchable, connected context. Number two, you have AI agents that actually work, not chatbots that give you generic answers. AI agents trained on your business, your context, your way of working, even trained on leading thought in your area. Agents that can draft responses, update systems, give you pure, useful coaching advice because they understand what you're trying to do. I've built these in Notion and I'm from an arts background. I'm not even a developer. And honestly, my mum still doesn't understand what I do. And number three, it's a business that scales without burning you out. Growth shouldn't mean longer hours. An agentic business grows with you, not against you. So this is the shift. You stop being the bottleneck and you start being the architect. So now let me show you what this looks like actually for me right now, running my business, and what could be possible for you. So this is my business OS and team of specialist agents, and they are all built within my tool of choice, Notion. Now why Notion? Because with Agent, Notion has become an exponentially more powerful tool from what it was just a year ago. And let me show you what I mean. It's the most accessible way to use AI agents right now. Access to all the major LLM models, agents you can train incredibly specifically on your business, and AI connectors that pull in your emails, calendars, documents, and once you know how to use it, it's unbelievably powerful. And this is my personal agent. I can ask it to draft a client email, summarize my last meeting, or update a project status. It doesn't give me generic AI fluff. It gives me my voice, my context, and my way of working. And it goes further. I've built specialist modes, agents that think like business strategists and content experts, productivity coaches trained on the leading thinking in that area. They're trained on the best frameworks in each domain, and they work alongside me. And with Notion's custom agent release, it just gets better. Agents that run automatically, work independently, respond to triggers, and are essentially like team members. I mean, I'm talking to mine in Slack. When I released Agent OS, my Notion agent instruction system, it had the single biggest impact of any product I've ever released. It was actually quite a surprise. And that's why I started this channel, to share an accessible agentic business method and to help you build the same for your business. If that sounds like what you need or just sounds interesting, hit subscribe because this is just the beginning. The tools already exist, but here's what's taken me a good few years to figure out. The order you build this matters more than the tools themselves. Get it wrong and the whole thing collapses. And probably, as many of you have experienced, you give up trying to build the system before you ever see the promised results. Get it right though, and everything clicks. And that is exactly why I'm developing my accessible agentic business method, a 4-stage process that anyone can take on. Number 1, consolidate your information into one place, architect your workflow and systems, activate your AI agents with context, and automate your business operations so you can focus on what matters. This isn't a theory, my friends. The tools exist right now, and this exact method is what I want to teach you step by step. This is how I built a 6-figure content and digital product business without a big team, and it's how you can scale your business and get back your time. So here's what I want you to do next. If this resonates, if you're tired of the tool chaos and ready to build something that actually scales, sign up below for my free guide to help you get started and discover the tools and strategies that I can help you with to go further using Notion and connected tools. I'll walk you through the first steps of an agentic business method, how to consolidate your information, how to start thinking like an architect, and how to prepare your business for AI agents to actually work. The link is in the description. Grab it and start building. And if you're considering signing up to Notion to do all of this and you don't have an account, use my link below for the best deal you can get on it on me. Now, one more thing before you go. Drop a comment and tell me what's your biggest challenge right now in how you organize and run your business. I read every single one and it helps me make videos that actually solve the problems you're facing. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you on the next one.